I'm Lane McNew, and this is my friend Rat. He works for Modern Heating and Cooling, and I own McNew Tool Company. We've made a tool here together that this tool it's good for duct work. It's got all kind of purposes, but it's designed by this man here to make duct work easier in tight areas.
This tool here, they make a horseshoeing tool, you know, this crimps around the front, and a lot of people use that to pull the duct together to be able to get your drive started, S-lock started, and all this kind of stuff. But when you get in a real tight hole, the handle's so long, you hit the wall, you hit the other piece of duct, whatever the case is. So I come up with the idea, if we had one that would be able to go sideways up in there, it gives us a lot less room, and you can get between the wall and everything to be able to grab the duct, pull it together with. And since we actually designed this tool and made it, I use it on a normal basis every single day. I like this tool better than I do the other ones because you're right here at the duct instead of stretched out trying to work with it. Even if you're not in a tight place, this duct is beneficial. This tool does all kind of stuff throughout the day. When we run across certain things, you know, that just don't want to work right, we can grab this tool and do different things with it. We've even grabbed screws on the duct and be able to pull the duct out to where if the duct's so wide, you know, it don't want to go in your S-lock, or it don't want to, you know, if you're using S-lock, you know, we can put a screw in there, grab it with this tool right here, and it has a leverage to it to where when you pull on it, it'll actually raise that duct up to where it'll slide into the hole. There's several different things, and like I said, I don't know how to explain all of them because every day we run across something different that we do with this tool. This is the greatest tool I've ever had. Alright, I'm putting this thing in by myself. There's nobody holding up the other edge for me. Slide that lock, slide the upper S-lock, you're trying to hang on to this to get this started before you can do this. You take this tool here, bring it over there, spread it out, grab it. That duct's there, you don't have to touch it no more. Once you grab that duct, then you can just reach right up here and grab it, put it right in your drive. You got the duct, it's held itself now. Now all you got to do is hit it with the then you're free to go to the next piece. You know, the thing just pulled it right together. Now if you're up here and you got, we'll use this for a demonstration right here, and you got another set of duct going right there, and you can't get in here with anything else. These things here are crooked, where we lock them on the side. You can reach right down between it, see there, and grab it. You got plenty of room to get in there to lock them together. Also, if you're tearing out some old duct and you've already had it in the building, a lot of times this thing's got duct seal on it. You can't get it to come off. You can't do anything. You grab this dive, pull it in there. Pull right out for you. Get started there. Slide right through there and it'll just take it right out. Where I'm just pull the drive right off of it. You know, it's not a big deal. Because now it'll this way back off.
This is on-the-job duct work. We're going to attempt to try new duct pullers to make it easier putting the drive on. You're getting that right.
everything has come an everyday necessity to me, what I do for a living. I do commercial heating and air conditioning, and we get in some of the spots that you just don't, it's just unreal. You can't get anything in there to get your ductwork to pull together, this, that, and the other. So I started using the ones that we homemade. I got Lane here to help me make them, because he knows how to use forges and all that kind of stuff. And after we got them and got to using them, then other people on the job site started seeing them. Hey, I'd like to have a pair of those. Them things is real handy. So, you know, we got to thinking, well, why don't we just build a few of them? So we started, so Lane here has actually built me several of them. And we just want to get it out there to try to make life easier on everybody else. I mean, you know, it's really a good necessity. It really does the job. I have nothing bad to say about them. You can use them several different ways. And the more you use them, the more stuff you'll come up with that you can use them for. They're stout, they're well built. That's really all I got to say about them. They're great.